Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. The UP State has published its merit list for MD, MS and Diploma for Medical first round 2021, and I will tell you in this video how the merit list, whether there is a improvement the merit or merit had been higher or lower, and what will the probability of getting the seats, and we had already done the analysis on the seat matrix. So if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel, and you can also avail our paid counseling guidance. In the description you can join telegram group link. There you can find 5 to 6,000 people and you can get help from them also. Okay, so coming to the point, UP is very important state, and you can see the merit list here. So how you need to see the merit list? First, you have a state merit starting from 1, and you can search your name by your roll number, your father's name, and gender is given. Then UP category, that's you are. Even if you come from any other state, you have given SC, ST, OBC category, you will be coming under UR. And your NEET score, NEET rank actually, and NEET marks. This weightage in percentage is for in-service candidate, and their final marks will be on the rightmost column. So ultimately, you can find the most important part is the first column, where you can find your state merit list, state merit SML. Okay, so your state merit this time, as I compared from the last year, in the rank of 58,000 approx. The last year the merit was approx 2,000. In the rank of 58,000, last year the merit was approx to 2,000, and this year in the same rank the merit is approx 2,500 to 2,600. So you can see the fluctuation, or the merit has gone higher. It means more candidates have applied. The seat is not allocated, but depending on the number of candidates, you need to fight for the seats. And if you look at the number of seats has increased from last year, but not as many as we expected as per the brochure. In the last video where I had done the analysis on the seat matrix, we could see that approx 300 seats more we could have got as per the brochure, but new colleges where we expect to get 100 plus seats, they got finally just 7 or 8 seats. So you can expect some 300 400 seats also in the round 2. So you have to do the choice filling very properly, because there are two types of institutes you will find. One is minority and other is non-minority. You can't get benefit of SC, ST, OBC or EWC any kind of, because all the seats in private colleges will come under open category, and whether you come from UP state, you have done MBBS from UP, your domicile is UP, or you come from any other state, all are equal. There is no category benefit in private medical colleges, but you can get benefit based on the minority. There are private medical colleges like Career Medical College, Era Medical College, where you can get benefit if you have done the registration under Muslim minority. Tirthankar Mahavir is a Jain minority medical college, so you will get the your minority benefit in those colleges. In terms of cutoff, the fee will remain same. The fee is also important factor. This year those colleges where the tuition fee was 15 lakhs per year, now it has hiked up to 21 lakhs per year. There are colleges where the tuition fee is different for all the branches. In most of the minority colleges, you can find the tuition fee is different. For lower clinical branches is lower, and for upper clinical branches like radio, dermat, medicine and all is higher. Minority colleges somewhere they have 10% of hike annually. You need to deposit 5 lakhs of security deposit, and miscellaneous charges of 1.20 lakhs. So you have to calculate your total tuition fee yearly and how much you need to pay in the first year. Then which is the good college where you have the hidden fee, because hidden fee is a very important factor in Uttar Pradesh. You know that you can get your seat in very low score also, or just qualifying score you can secure a clinical seat in the very first round. But you have to make sure that you don't feel hidden fee colleges. There are few colleges where the fee is hidden, and it means once you join they will ask the fee in some different names. in the name of your development, professional development charges. In some other fines, they will be writing huge amount, which is not I would say ethical, but ultimately you have to pay. So you be aware about those colleges. You also have to see how much is the stipend amount. Okay, that will also factor. How is the location? Okay, how good is the patient flow? You just don't go by the tuition fee itself. So you have to keep in mind all such things in the private medical colleges, and particularly in Uttar Pradesh. So keeping all these factors in mind, you have to do the choice filling. You have to discuss, and in case you want and you do confused like how to proceed, then you can also avail our personal paid counseling guidance. We can help you out and support in the counseling process for Uttar Pradesh and some other states, all India wise, and in other counseling process also. So these are some important factors where you need to keep in mind. And let's take an example. The candidate who got 17 rank in the state comes under BC category. Okay, if you come from outside and you have given your category under OBC or SC ST, you will be shown here ST or SC. But it doesn't mean that you will get that benefit. You will ultimately get the seat allocated in open, and it will be based on your state merit, not based on your category merit. So you don't have to count your category merit. It's only for those candidates who are eligible for government medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh. There is no Cat A, Cat B, Cat B, C, Cat C here. It's for specifically those candidates who come from south. They know there are three types of seat in private medical college: Cat A, Cat B, and Cat C. There is no Cat A, Cat B, and Cat C. It's the same fee structure for all different types of seats, and there is no discrimination in terms of tuition fee. There is no reservation for their local candidates. Okay, so hope you have understood how you could proceed and what different factors. Let me summarize once again: tuition fee, stipend, how good is the college, patient flow, location, and hidden fee, minority, non-minority, tuition fee of particular subject in a college. It might not be same exactly for some of the lower clinical subject like anesthesia, ophthalmology, ENT, psychiatry. It might be 50% of the total fee for medicine and radiotherapy, radiodiagnosis in the same college. So you have to look at these factors before you plan how you are going to fill the choices, and it requires complete information. Okay, so all the best for your counseling, and thanks for watching, and we will meet again with some other important updates. Until then, goodbye and take care.